Hello, this is Melissa Peterson Designs. I'm going to show you how I set up the soccer ball for my project. This is one I had in one of my files that I found, but I couldn't find the SVG design, so I'm going to show you how I set it up because this is a PNG file. So I grabbed the trace tool and I made sure I got the whole design highlighted, and then I'll hit trace, and then I move the soccer ball out of the way, and those red lines represent cut lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and make them black the way I like them. And the lines too. And then I'm going to size it. I measured my project and it was about 4 inches that I need to keep it within. So I'm going to make it a 4-inch diameter, or come as close to I can. I don't want it too small. And since I'm going to have some extra space, I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 because I set my contact paper up by 12 by 18. So I'll go ahead and cut 2, and then that way if I make a mistake I have an extra one.